morning everyone, this is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. The best part of the market is that it always keeps us on toes. When we all were expecting dollar rupee pair to move above 76 level and it all of a sudden reversed to below 75 level. So in the first part of the presentation we'll be discussing why the reversal happened, and in the second part of the presentation we'll discuss what is the outlook for dollar rupee pair for the coming week, and in the last part of the presentation we'll be discussing trading ideas for coming days. So let us discuss why dollar rupee pair appreciated from 75.60 levels to 74.60. One of the most important reason is that de-escalation of geopolitical tension between Russia and Ukraine. Post that, US said that they are going to lift sanction on Iran. Because of these two reasons, oil prices dropped by 4%. And the last news was LIC IPO dates are announced. People are expecting that some kind of inflow will come so that the traders have unwind its long position and they have entered into a short position. Because of three reasons, dollar rupee pair have appreciated from 75.60 to 74.60. Now let us move to what will happen in the next week. Now let us discuss what will happen in the next week. In last 15-20 years, I have understood that market moves because of two reasons. पहला एक fundamental reason क्या है market का move करने का, and second, it moves on sentiments. If you see fundamentals, a dollar index will move higher because of Fed tightening, higher trade deficit, higher fiscal deficit, uncertainty of state election. These are all fundamental reasons which will make dollar rupee pair weaker. On the other side, if you see the sentiments have changed a bit. LIC का inflow आएंगे, then oil has started coming down, easing of tension between Russia and Ukraine. These are all positive news. Because of fundamental and sentiment reason, the market will move like a pendulum. On the lower side, 74.50 and 74.10 will remain a strong support for the pair, and we are not expecting the pair to move below that level because the fundamentals are weak. As you see in the chart, 74.50 remains an important support level for the pair. If that level is broken, the pair might move towards 74.10 levels. As the fundamentals are overall weak, we do not expect the pair to go beyond 74 levels. Now let us discuss strategy for thin margin exporters. Thin margin exporters like agri exporter or chemical exporters. CR Forex has a lot of clients in this sector. Those clients who fall in this category of thin margin exporters, they must appreciate the fact that as soon as 75.30 was broken, all our dealers have advised thin margin exporters to cover 100% on their total exposure which was open. From that level, we have been advising them to cover on a back-to-back basis. But for instance, someone who has taken a costing of 75 levels and has not been able to cover because they might be traveling to Gulf food exhibition or because of any other reason, they can keep a strict stop loss of 74.50. If 74.50 is broken, then please go and cover your all orders. For new orders which you are getting this week, we request you to cover on a back-to-back basis till the time the pair is not moving above 74.80 on a closing basis. Thick margin exporters like textile exporters or engineering exporters, they are having gala time from last 6 months. They are getting both the levels, 76 भी मिल रहा है and 73 भी मिल रहा है. If anyone receives any fund during next week, the ideal thing to do for them is to pre-utilize their all profitable forward contract. For further bookings, they should wait with a target of 75.30 levels. उसके पहले बुक मत करो, उसके पहले फॉरवर्ड को pre-utilize करो और प्रॉफिट बुक करो. Now let us discuss strategy for importers. Market has given a golden opportunity for importers. Those who have not covered import for the next 45-50 days, they have got a golden opportunity. Close to 74.50 levels, they should start participating and cover their imports for next 15-20 days and see whether the market is breaking 74.50 or not. If the market breaks 74.50, then there are high chances that the pair can move towards 74 to 74.10 level. If you get those level close to 74, please do not think, just go and buy till April end or May 15th. Buying on dips is the ultimate strategy for importers. For trading ideas, जो 2 वीक पहले हमने कॉल दिया था, यूरो यूएसडी के लिए हम वेट करेंगे. बड़ा टारगेट 1.1150 है. For euro INR, the bigger target is 84.20. For GBP USD, the bigger target is 1.33 level. GBP INR का stop loss got triggered last week, but someone who wants to trade in GBP INR, the bigger target is 99.5 level. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar. फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.